Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to another video of MTS Trades. So, another day, another bread we ate and made. Right. So, let's just delete all this bullshit, okay? Right. So, today is the 7th of September, 2023. Now, we entered into the market as usual around New York Stock Exchange opened, okay, which is what I just changed my time to 12-hour chart. So I'll tell you something why we took the trade. Okay, let me have a look, and I'll show you what we are on about. So where's 1 o'clock, and then there's 2:30. All right, here you guys can easily see that I actually scanned the market pre-market when the New York market opened, New York Stock Exchange, New York session kicked in. Okay, so scan the whole lot market. I'm not gonna drag this like video because last one was 30 minutes and I was super tired. I was shredded, throughout the video. So what I'm gonna do is just keep it simple, make it like 10 minutes long, and that's it. We're done for today. So we just took two trades, and this one was pretty interesting. Why we took the GU? So this one, right? So I was waiting for shorts. My whole bias was short for the day, okay, because all time frames were bearish, super bearish, okay. So what I did, I was like, all right, let the market enter. I already had set it up like, my short trade. I was like, all right, if the market open and we didn't have a rally up, clearing all the sessions out, we're just going to go into the shorts and really, sweep the previous liquidities of the daily low and the yesterday's, 15 minutes liquidity pool. So what we ended up doing is as expected, I was waiting for the sweep, a big pump in the market when the index market opened. That's what happened, and we ended up entering then the at the break of structure. Okay, we made a fair value gap over here. Give me 2 seconds on the 5-minute fair value gap. All right, and I drew it right here. After that, I was waiting till the 50-minute close. I was waiting because at 3 o'clock it was a FOMC as well. So the FOMC kicked in, the market didn't do anything. We had a market to the down. But unfortunately, I had to enter the market because I didn't want to miss the entry as other liquidities on 15 minutes were pretty close. So I ended up taking the trade right around here on the top of this wick. Let me make it thicker because my PP is thick. Now, we ended up entering over here at the market. Then we had a drawdown of how much? Let me have a look. We had a drawdown. We tapped into our fair value gap. We had a drawdown of 0.29% of our position. After that, the market had rallied to the upside. We ended up hitting our TP1, almost TP2. But after the TP1, we had a reversal, so I had to close this trade at market and told everyone to ape out because I can't just stare at the chart after because it was just gonna have a reversal because I just didn't want to look at the market after that. So for a visual, what we end up doing, I'll just show you the trade now. It's set up. So here we are. You guys can see that's what happened. We stopped at the previous liquidity after how long we're in the trade. Right, so we were in trade for 2 hours and 30 minutes. Boom, we made a quick bread. After that, I had stops at break even. When the market had a reversal on this candle, we just aped out at market. So let's come to the GU. We had the same thing as well. I was scanning the market, and then I think after 3:15, we did not enter here. We entered off of. Let me have a look. I think we entered right here at market. Yeah, we entered here after the break of structure on the lower chart frame, and then we let it run. We hit our TP1, and after that we got stopped out at break even. So these was the two beautiful trades we aped in, and nonetheless we made bread. Now let's head to the Discord and show how much we made today. So overall, let me tell you something, boys. It doesn't matter what's the daily buys. It doesn't matter what buys you're seeing on all of the time frames. Okay, You have to be precise. You have to see what's happening in the market on the chart, on the candles, and leave your bias and emotions outside of fucking market. Okay? Now, we made a quick breath and we're going to show you how much we made today. Let's head to the Discord now. Okay, so let me show you where we entered. So I gave a trade around, what is this, bro? Around 2:45, okay, before the news kicked in. And during the news, market was consolidating, as you guys can see here. After that, our TP1 hit around, what is that, bro? 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, around 8 past 5. Okay, and then we closed that market around about TP2 because I was seeing a reversal. Let's come to the forex pair. Why we took GU, where we took GU. Okay, so we took GU, and also just a recap of the last trade. We ended up hitting all the TP on the GJ. Okay, that we took. As you guys can see here, our last TP was 184 GJ. Okay, and then we ended up sweeping around in the London session 8:45 this morning. As you can see here, 183 GJ rolling. So we ended up hitting our TP1. So I gave around what? So around 1 past 4, and then we aped out like at 4:45 by hitting TP1, and then I was stopped out at break even. Okay. Now let's have a look how much we made today. All right, boys. Let's have a quick look. Let me open up in a browser. Oh wait, never mind. Just closing the trading view. So we ended up. I think it's not visual for you. Okay. So what I'm going to do is just open that into Google Chrome. Okay, and then we'll see how much we made. Right. Just going to switch screens. Right. Would it work? So what's happening? Discord. I think I need to just close the Discord for now. Maybe just pick it up then. This is strange. Well, I'm trying to pick something. I just don't let you. Let's add another picture. Oh, there it is. Right. So as you guys can see here, I'm going to zoom it in. We entered into GU long at 1.24762, and then we fully aped out around 1.248265. Okay, after taking the partials, we're fully out with $193.50. Okay, and then in the US, we entered around 34. That was the initial, that was the second entry I took. Okay, that's the other account. I'll show you. So this was the when the market was like railing down. So I opened another short on this account. So it's we entered around 34,488.32 on index, and we opted out like we were fully out on 34,554.755. So how much we made? We made around 2,000. Let me just add that, and I will show you how much we made today. 2,1. Okay, it's actually 2,177.55. Okay, on one account, and then we're gonna opt into this one. So we entered on this one on 1.24762, and we're fully out by a stop loss at break even at 1.248325, and we made $211.50 on GU. And then on the U3, we actually made around $978.50. So we entered around 34,505.80, and then we aped out after hitting first TP around second TP 34,554.725. We ended up making on this account 1169. Okay, so altogether we are up for the day 3,346 point 3,000 wait 3,000 $346.55 we made for the day. So I just want to let you know, guys, if you are missing out, if you want to, like, made a bread with us, okay, make sure you go to the link down below, join our community for $10, and you can learn and trade alongside with me and make a bread just like we are making so far. 3 out of 3, we're killing the market, okay, and inshallah I'll see you guys in another video. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'm out.